it could run out a little bit. I will run the grinder, come out say 100 mil, cut it and put in 110 mil piece of tile. That's how you get around that. So that's a quick little tip. But if I don't run out coming back, and might have to just fudge it a little. I don't know, we'll see how we go. The big thing is do that. That's a little trick. So when it's dry in the morning, your tile has something to sit on. I'll give that a wipe in a sec with my sponge, just to get the glue off the tile. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. We'll see you later. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe, people. God, that's it. How the hell do I get over that? Oh, he's got a bit to learn, this DIY. That's sticking out a bit, but I should be able to get around, even if I trim the back of my tile a little, put it on the grinder. We'll see. Okay, I'll see you soon. Ciao.